Hey, good morning. So we are back here in Bel Air, and it's a cloudy day, but this project is now done. It came out phenomenal, really, really beautiful. Everything is really in place here. The design came beautiful. We did the wall, we did the gates, we did the pickets, we did the stairs inside and that handrail. We did the lights, we did the intercom system and the mailbox. And everything really works well with this house and really complements it. Pedestrian gate has an intercom, has a magnetic lock for the pedestrian gate. Because of these pickets, you cannot allow for a regular lock where people can reach in and open. The pickets on top of the wall came out beautiful after the gardener finished the landscaping here. This really complements this house. And here you go, it's a very modern house, and the fence that we chose for it is a little more modern than usual, but it really complements it. It came out amazingly beautiful. So we have a very happy customer here, and we are extremely proud of this project. Took a minute. It wasn't a quick one because there was a lot of people involved here. Concrete people, electricians, low voltage, iron guys, all together. We achieved this beautiful project. That's about it. Run for Mulholland Security.